Ladies and gentlemen, the COVID-19 epidemic is still complicated when the number of positive cases in the province has been increasing, including Trang Bang district. According to the Steering Committee for COVID-19 Prevention and Control of Trang Bang Town, all infected and suspected cases of COVID-19 in the area have been isolated for treatment. Meanwhile, F1 and F2 cases have been also isolated in accordance with regulation. Currently, Trang Bang is trying to prevent and control the epidemic. The contribution of the people at this time is to stay at home, going out in cases of necessary matter.
As of 18 on August 2, 2021, Trang Bang Town recorded 238 positive cases, an increase of 211 cases compared to August 1st, in which outside the industrial zone, 10 cases were detected in Tan Loc quarter, Gia Loc. Meanwhile, in the industrial zone, 226 cases were recorded at 4 companies. Accumulated so far, the number of F0 in Trang Bang Town was more than 5,010 cases. The cases of infection were detected mainly through tracing, screening tests in the community, and at medical facilities in the area, in which An Tĩnh and An Hoa are still two localities with a high number of infections during the day, focusing on a few companies in the industrial park. In just 3 days, from July 21st to August 2nd, 2021, at the Tĩnh Leader Company in Linh Trung Pri Industrial Park and Export Processing Zone, as well as Trang Bang Company in Tan Thanh Công Industrial Park, 321 cases were recorded, accounting for 62.57% of the total number of infections in the town. According to the assessment of the Steering Committee for Disease Prevention and Control in Trang Bang Town, this is the main reason leading to the sudden increase in the number of infections on August 2nd, 2021 in Trang Bang Town. We have localized, blocked, traced, as well as implemented our measures which we can get F0 out of the community. We have now blocked the infected areas and prevented the spread from the community by the most effective measures. For the outside infection cases, we took to the isolation area. From the beginning, we separated as soon as we detected F0, F1 cases, so the residential areas outside the industrial zone were controlled from the beginning. In these days, TayNin continued to direct the drastic implementation of social distancing measures under Directive Number 16 of the Prime Minister. Trang Bang Town is the gateway to TayNin, so it can both prevent epidemic inside the area and coordinate with functional forces of the province to strictly control vehicles entering and leaving the province, while ensuring social security for people, especially in areas located in quarantine areas and medical isolation. We have established 3 tracing teams. The first one is in residential areas of works and commutes. 2 others are in An Hoa and An Tĩnh areas, organized to trace F0. Many cases have been still existing in the community, so we have also organized to push back the epidemic effectively in the coming time. Although the number of COVID-19 cases in Trang Bang Town has increased, it still controls the epidemic situation, putting people's health first. The People's Committee and the Steering Committee for Epidemic Prevention and Control of Trang Bang Town said the difficulties and impacts of the epidemic on people and businesses. The town calls its citizens to intensify the spirit and awareness of responsibility to the community, step up the implementation of disease prevention and control measures recommended by the health sector, and maintain the good implementation of the 5K measures and Directive Number 16 of the government.